up? It's your girl Sincerely Ariel, and we're back again with another video. So today I bring you ShopHairFromNee. I originally started following her off TikTok, and you know, the hair was looking good, and I was like, you know what, I like some wigs, so I had to go and cop this 28-inch body wave, highlighted wig. The price is right there, but I did go ahead and get mine in payments because I'm poor. But I've never had a full lace wig before. Like, oh my god, rude. But this is what the hairline looks like. Y'all know I had to show y'all. It is extremely long. Like, I underestimated how long 28 inches is. Maybe because I'm used to like all the other places I get, but no, this is long. Like, I still have it on. Look at that bald cap. Did y'all see that bald cap? Anyway, I'm just gonna stop talking. I'm gonna do my normal install process, which, I didn't bleach the knots the first time I installed this, which is this time, but I definitely have bleached the knots since then. I have worn this wig to the ground and am currently still wearing it to the ground. So this hair is extremely I said I was gonna stop talking. The video is just going excuse me, let's get professional here. The hair is extremely soft. Like, extremely soft. Like, even on the days when I've been lazy and haven't tied a scarf on it, like the top or whatever is still extremely soft. Like, when I brush it down, soft. The only thing I had like maybe like a tiny issue with is I think my head is big, so I had to kind of like mess the lace, or like kind of what am I trying to say? I had to basically rip the lace just a little bit to fit my big old head, but other than that, yeah. So just keep on watching. Sorry for this long intro voice. All right, bye y'all. I'm back and I'm better. But this was the first time I've ever barrel curled my hair. As you can see, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. I had to watch so many TikTok tutorials just to figure it out, kinda, sorta. So watch my trial and error. It turned out pretty well, though. You know, I caught on after 18,000 times of me in the trial and a lot of error. But yeah. I just finished curling it. Barrel curl. This hair is incredibly soft, and as you can see, it holds curl. I cut the layers a little bit stupid by mistake. I need to go to Best Buy and buy a vlog. I wonder if they'll let me buy a vlog camera with like the payments. I think we're gonna hurry up and go. So I did end up getting it, and y'all know I'm terrible at outro. So thank you so much everybody for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you beautiful people next time.